Nobody asked if you wanted to play this game. And yet one morning, you spawned onto the map with no menu and no way to log out. There was no difficulty select and no settings screen, just a glowing welcome message and a rulebook the developers decided you would never be allowed to read. So here is the full walkthrough. First, the tutorial they never gave you, then 5 cheat codes that work, and finally the real win condition nobody talks about. Every player starts in the tutorial phase where the game teaches you basic controls like walking and talking and making allies, while the real mechanics stay completely hidden. You grind those early levels believing you understand the rules when the tutorial barely scratches the surface of what your character can actually do inside this world. Here is the first rigged mechanic. Every other game shows your stats up front, but this one hides your natural strengths and weaknesses even from you. Nothing ever pops up saying you are gifted at this. You have to run the discovery quest yourself by trying things and failing where other players can see you. And be honest, some players spawn with maxed out resources while others spawn in ruins. The only stat every account shares is time, one single playthrough each. After the tutorial, the game quietly assigns you a default questline. Get grades, then get a job, then get coins, then spend them, and repeat until the credits. Default means it happens when you never open the quest menu, and most players ride that grey conveyor for 40 years wondering why the experience points feel empty. Coins matter because anyone claiming otherwise has never run out, but coins are a resource and not a score, and you cannot spend your way onto the leaderboard. Which brings us to the part you came for. 5 cheat codes the developers left inside the game, working codes, tested by every player who ever leveled up fast. Code 1 is the NPC Check. Every day the game floods your screen with characters running scripts, outrage loops and gossip quests designed to drain your energy bar. So ask one question about every interaction. Is this giving me experience or draining my meter? Then cut the drains because your energy bar is your most unguarded stat. Code 2 is the daily save point. The game auto-saves your habits and not your intentions. Whatever you repeat today gets written straight into tomorrow's character file. 1 page read is a save, 1 workout is a save. The players who look lucky at level 40 simply hit save more often back at level 25. Code 3 is aggro management. Whatever you focus on pulls more of itself toward you. Feed fear and the map spawns fear. Feed a skill and opportunities appear. That is not magic. It is how your targeting system was coded. Your attention marks a waypoint, and the whole engine quietly starts routing the world toward it. Code 4 is the party system. This is a co-op game pretending to be single player. Every quest line, from skills to health, runs faster inside a real party. The 5 players you raid with daily set your level cap, so audit your party like your entire playthrough depends on it, because honestly it absolutely does. Code 5 is controlled damage. Comfort is a trap built to keep players at low levels. Experience comes almost entirely from quests that cost health points up front. Hard conversations and cold pitches and public failures are small chosen damage now, or you can wait for the massive unchosen kind because this game always collects. So how do you actually win? Here is the twist. The game hides until the very end. There is no global leaderboard, and there never was one. Fame is not a win screen. Famous players log out like everyone else, and the servers forget fast. Watch the brightest nameplates dim in real time. The real score is written into other players. Every skill you teach and every new player you raise, well, keeps running long after you finally log out. One day, with zero warning, the screen simply goes dark. No save file and no new game plus, just one finished cartridge and the story it managed to write. But right now you are still logged in, so the only question on the screen worth answering is continue, and if this walkthrough helped, subscribe for the next boss fight.